So this is actually a used, coming off the tuna coat car. And yeah. Yeah. Oh, he's barking. Yo, what the?
It worked.
It worked. Alright guys, day 2-ish. So without further ado, this is the Remark Exhaust. You can see his Remark is used. I can clean it up a little bit, but I mean, honestly, it looks great. We had a little bit of problems with the install. I think it's aligned perfectly. As you can see, if we get a little bit closer, you can see how it is. I think it's actually hitting something. I don't know what it's hitting, but it definitely do have to check it out. What it may be hitting, because when it does start up, it does make a little bit of rattle inside when it's a startup, but that's about it. Great exhaust. It's a nice deep throaty sound that it's different from stock. But I'll throw up some clips right now. This is going to be startup, non-sport mode, and yeah. And there you have it. So I did a couple flybys and different various modes that you guys can hear. The exhaust. First of all, this is a 2021 Toyota Supra Premium. All right, nitro yellow, of course. And it does have an H&R Performance Catless exhaust. So this is the sound with a Catless exhaust. Now with a catted exhaust, of course, this is going to be a little bit, this is going to be quieter, period. The biggest thing though, what I might do is actually open up the muffler system and take one of the mufflers out on one of these suitcases here. So it's right down here. I might take off like this suitcase off, gut it, so it's a little bit more louder. Right now it's like really good, don't get me wrong, it's really good right now, but maybe in the future, if I want to do that, I just cut out the muffler and let the exhaust, the one that's valved, be even more throatier and more raw. But yeah, that's it, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video, enjoy the sound. It's definitely a good, cheap alternative upgrade And yeah, it's about to rain. I'm about to take a road trip with this exhaust on. It sounds really good. Like, sorry, video does not make it anywhere, and it doesn't do any justice. If you have someone local in your area that has this exhaust, hear it and make your final decision. I actually like it. Some of the other owners in the DMV area, they like it as well. Well, they have mixed feelings, but once I show them, they're like, oh, it's not that bad. It's very, very tame, but it has that nice grunt noise. I wish I could get some flybys, but I'm limited. And I'm not gonna go down there and fucking do a flyby. I'm not doing it. I'm sorry. Someone's doing, I think that's a 370 doing a flyby out there. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Till next time. Peace.